Are you struggling to make the buying process seamless? If you're like many B2B businesses, traditional demos just don't cut it anymore. Buyers today demand control, clarity, and tailored content. With over 4,000 sales and marketing teams using it, the Storylane Demo Hub is the answer. Our platform allows buyers to address multiple use cases in one central hub. Imagine 3 key benefits. First, buyers can customize their demo journey based on personal needs. Second, increase engagement by up to 80% with tailored resources. Third, consolidate all your demos, videos, and PDFs in a single location for easy access. What sets us apart? We offer personalized content paths without the added complexity. With our platform, buyers explore features that matter to them, improving their decision-making process. Let's summarize. Centralize your demos, personalize buyer journeys, and enhance engagement. Ready to transform your buying experience? Chat with our demo expert today and discover how over 2,500 companies boost their revenue with Storylane. Don't wait, make buying easy with Storylane.